Mallory here for Digital Trends, and we're checking out Android Auto's standalone app. So you can use this Android Auto in any car, no matter where you are. You don't even have to be in a car if you don't want to. But basically the idea is that you don't have to buy a brand new car with Android Auto installed, and you don't have to go buy a new stereo system with Android Auto inside of it. You can just use your regular old Android phone and have all the same features that you'd normally have on Android Auto. So on here, on this standalone app that anyone will be able to download once it comes out, you have these 3 quick access buttons. So you have a quick access for navigation, which will take you right into navigation of where you want to go. You have a quick launch for music, so you can play some tunes while you're cruising on the highway. And you have a quick launch for the phone button, so you can call anyone you need to call right away while you're driving without too much fuss, just one tap away. So we also have a number of different settings over here that you can customize, and you can check out a bunch of apps for Android Auto on the Google Play Store. So they're working to get this involved in a bunch of messaging apps. Right now they're going to have WhatsApp, Telegram, Kik, Skype, and some of those other messaging apps, which is pretty exciting. And you'll be able to use Google Voice to activate searches. So you can tell it to drive you to Monterey. Directions to Monterey. And it should get you where you need to go. You can also launch different things. You can reply to messages, you can reply to phone calls and say, I'm busy right now driving, don't interrupt. So it's basically a good way to keep yourself safe while you're driving, so that way you don't have to reach over to your phone and text with one hand on your phone and one hand on the wheel. And it's pretty amazing. You can also check the weather and see some of your most recent notifications. They won't bother you with most things, just messages and phone calls at the moment. And they're working on getting a bunch of apps involved, which is pretty exciting. So pretty soon you'll be able to download Android Auto and have Android Auto in your car, no matter how old of a rust bucket it is. This was Mallory from Digital Trends, giving you a quick glance at Android Auto's standalone app.